Welcome here again. Today I'll be showing you how to claim free $20 airdrop from this giveaway from Tour Wallex. So at Tour Wallex, I'm here right here at the tweet at their tweets. It says Tour Wallex airdrop campaign is here in collabs with CryptoTech DAO. Total $110,000 in XWX token. Top 200 referrals get $50, and first come first serve get 5,000 gets $10. Random 5,000 gets another $10. To enter, follow, retweet and tag 3 friends. Complete the game givelab.com tags. End on the 27th of September. So guys, before we dive into details of this video, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojio Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to earn money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrops. So if you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So you might want to go ahead and watch some of my previous videos here so that you can see how you can make money for yourself. Don't forget to click the like button of this video so that this video will reach many other people who are looking for ways to make money online. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify next whenever I upload videos like this. So if you've done that, let's dive into the video of today. So we are back here. So when we click this link right here, it will redirect us to the Gleam page, which is this. So as you can see, Tour Wallex and CryptoTech big airdrops. We are thrilled to announce our partnership with Tour Wallex. Tour Wallex, a blockchain ecosystem for tourism, the art and hospitality industry, real life use case. In celebration, we are giving away $110,000 worth of TWX tokens. Price pool: top 200 referrals get $50 in TWX. First come first serve 5,000 gets $10 in TWX. Random 5,000 gets $10 in TWX. Complete tags below to win more entries, more chances. So 14 ways to enter. First, you follow Tour Wallex on Twitter. Second, you follow CryptoTech DAO. Then you retweet and tag 3 friends. Retweet and tag 3 friends again. Join Tour Wallex group. Join Tour Wallex channel. Join CryptoTech DAO channel on Telegram. Then you visit Tour Wallex Instagram page, you visit their Facebook page, you visit their website, you submit your BSC scan address, and you refer friends. You visit their YouTube channel and you submit your Telegram username. So guys, let's see how we can do this task. All you need to do is to click here. You click connect Twitter. You click authorize. I've done this before, but I don't know why they're still asking me to do it. Okay, so you click here, you click follow. So guys, this is it. So a blockchain ecosystem, this is their page. You can just follow them so that you get all the information and update you need for this airdrop. So guys, instead of us going front and back, I think this is the post we have to retweet. We follow them, so we click retweet. We've retweeted it. Okay, let's retweet it with quotes so that we can tag 3 friends. So let's retweet it with quotes so that we can tag 3 friends. We've done all that. So all we need to do is to go back here and click verify. We click this also. Okay, we've ever followed this. Let's follow this as well. CryptoTech.io, we click follow. Then we do the same. This is the quote we are retweeting. We are retweeting this. Retweet with quote. right here at their website, and this is how their website looks. Visit Tour with zero budget. TWX is an innovative project that combines blockchain, gaming, metaverse, non-fungible token NFT, and visual reality to solve complicated problems facing the tourist, the art, and the hospitality industry. So this is just project concept in summary. Say token use case, governance. TourWallex token holders have complete control over the protocol. Holders can submit proposal as well as vote on submitted proposal, including exceptional events like protocol upgrades, staking, payments. The TourWallex token also serves as a currency within the ecosystem. Holders can book for flights, hotel, and pay for vacation package, as well as mail and artworks on the NFT marketplace. Holders can also fund the Tour Pay virtual card and spend it anywhere. Wow. Game credit power. The Tour token also serves the power on the Tour Flash platform. Okay guys, this is just the website. You can read that at your own convenient time. So guys, I've checked so far. So let's check this for the YouTube. We have been redirected to the YouTube.
From your blog post.
So I've done everything, I've checked everything, remaining this last one, which it says I should refer my friend. So guys, I'm going to copy my link and drop down the description of this video so that you can use it and enter this giveaway. At the end, I have 65 total entries, and it's just 8 days for this giveaway to go. 8 days remaining for this giveaway to end. So guys, so you can join and use my referral link. So thank you, goodbye.